Say Happy
Halloween.
Sing with your thing on. Ready? Woo!
Wow. Can you say trick or treat?
Say trick or treat.
No.
Where'd you go?
Up here.
Oh.
Ow.
Oh, scary Eeyore.
It's Monster Eeyore.
I told him he could make monster noises because
Monster
it's
Eeyore?
Halloween.
Monster?
Do you want to trick or treat?
No.
Why not?
You get candy.
No.
No candy?
Oh. I'll put this up again.
I think Eeyore might be drunk. Where'd you go?
Say hi to Molly. Hi, Molly.
Say hi.
No.
Can you say trick or treat?
Up. Down. Whoa, where are you going? Down.
That's really not a slide. Let's go get some candy.
Go get candy?
Let's go just next door.
Go get candy.
We'll say trick or treat, and we'll get candy.
You want new candy?
Yeah.
Well, we have to go next door then. We don't have any new candy. Are you stuck? Who are you? I know, but who are you dressed up as?
Eeyore.
You have to hold your basket up and say, trick or treat. Trick or treat.
I'm going to hold that for you.
Ah, scary.